Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the second week of the altered paper clips with Markets of Sunshine, and I did this and I love it. So we are going to do one together as well. I want two of these pretty babies. So the items that are needed are obviously your cardstock and your paper clip. And this is a hidden altered paper clip. So you want two pieces of cardstock, one smaller just slightly than the other, as you can see here. And then you want pink fabric, a blue fiber, whatever you consider fiber, cheesecloth, any color, any way. And she has tea bag, any kind, any color, a button, and a flower. And then Marsha has her bonuses, which are 2 tags with eyelets. And I went ahead and did these already. So let me show you this one. I just love it. So it goes over your paper like that. And we have the pretty pink fabric, and this is fabric that I even purchased from Marsha long ago. She does have 2 Etsy shops, Pioneer Fundraiser and Markets of Sunshine. So take a look. She always has beautiful fabrics. But this is some very pretty pink fabric. And then I used the cheesecloth as the pocket, or the tea bag as the pocket. And then the cheesecloth and the flower in front of it. And this little paper flower has been hanging around for quite some time, and I haven't had a use for it until now. So I am thankful for that. And then on the back side, again, I did the same thing with the pocket, with the tea bag, cheesecloth behind it. My blue fiber I used as a bow, and then put my button there. So let's work on this together. So you want to take a piece of cardstock and fold it over, and that should be about the size of your paper clip as far as the length, and then the width is what you want it to be. This is a 2-inch paper clip. You can use any size paper clip. It's up to you. All depends on the size that you want your hidden paper clip to be. And then this piece goes over it, and this right here is how it goes on your paper. So it'll go just like that once you glue it down. So with this, I cut out the fabric, and I like to stitch mine. You don't have to. I just put a little bit of glue on to hold it. So put me on pause and go find your pink fabric. Put that on. And then for the pocket, I just use this, and it makes a nice sheer pocket. So you kind of want to see your measurement. And cut that. And we can go ahead and get both our pockets cut at once. I even have some left over. We don't drink much tea in this house, so I don't have tea bags. So put a little bit of glue just to hold it down until I stitch it. Do the same, or whatever you're doing. Make your paper clip your own for sure. This is just to show you what I did and to hopefully give you some inspiration and ideas. So I'm going to stitch that real quick. I don't know how to do all that pause and fancy stuff, but I will try to hurry here. As Gail says, talk amongst yourself, and the thread came out of the needle, of course, only while you're filming. It gives you guys time to go get your stuff so that you can do this along with me. How's that? So how's everybody doing today? Is the weather warming up where you're at? Yeah, it's been warm here, but it's been raining a little bit each day. I just did it again. I'm not pulling enough. Sorry, guys. I swear, you only do stupid stuff when you're filming, right? When things only go wrong when you're filming. I know I pulled it. Anyways, let's try this again. Alright, we got it. And you don't have to stitch yours. I prefer stitching pretty much everything, but no, by all means, you can just glue it. And if you do that, use whatever glue you prefer. And there you go. So now with the cheesecloth, cut off what I need. And I am making basically the same, just a different flower and different color button. And that's because I like how it turned out. So when you glue your cheesecloth and stuff on here, you definitely want to have a scrap card to make sure you don't glue that pocket shut. And I know I'm probably telling you something you already know. I love that flower. And then I just used regular, oh, what is this? Yarn. Because my craft room is half packed and in shambles. And you can cut it to any length. Like this one, I kept it long, but of course that might change. I might cut it shorter. So we're going to put this one in a different spot. And the button, it's a cute little heart button. Is that not adorable? And what I should have done, and what you could do, is stitch the button so it looks like it's stitched on there. So I'm just making sure that it's drying and not sticking. So how cute is that? And then the only thing left to do is to glue this. Get that nice on there. So that it sticks and stays down. And that's Fabri-Tac, which does not take long at all. Ah, look, I messed up my bow. Y'all were watching me do that too, weren't you? And by pushing down, I almost sealed up that pocket. I will have to come back and fix my bow. But I don't want to waste your time doing that. So let's check this out. Perfect. I love it. And this one is shorter. This needs to dry a little bit longer. There we go. And that's why I like stitching, because it stays down. So how cute is that? So adorable. So I hope you guys will join along on this fun challenge. Whoops. And use the hashtag MOS Altered Paperclips 2 on any media forms that you use, so that we all can see what you're making. All right. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see what you've made.